kind of look like an egg. You want to say hi to Bear? Hi, Bear. This is Albert, guys. Isn't he so cute? Hey, what's up guys? It's Caitlin, and this week I have a video for you guys. Sorry if you hear the jingling. It's Bear, and I'm watching another dog. His name is Albert. He's very cute. But yeah, I'm doing a video today on like explaining what interior design actually is and what interior designers do, because I feel like a lot of people just think that they just do decorating, which is definitely not true. They actually do a lot more than I thought they did. So I just want to explain it because why not? It's my major. I am enjoying it. It's very hard, but I am enjoying it. I do have a little bit of a cold, so if my voice is annoying, sorry about that. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Oh my god. So, interior designers, they do a lot of things. So we have to know building codes, which I had a class last year and it was building codes, and there are a lot of codes, guys. There's like fire safety, ADA codes, all that kind of stuff. I'm not going to explain it because it'll be very boring for you guys, because you guys probably don't care. But yeah, so we have to like make sure everything is wheelchair accessible. Just those. We have to know those. Second of all, we actually do like pretty much the entire floor plan. We have to draw that. We have to do elevations, which are like side views, so like if you cut out a wall you can see like into the building, dimensions and stuff like that. We work with the architect and the engineer on the building because we have to know like wall size, firewalls, so a lot to do with the building. It's not really just decorating. Actually, I think a lot of interior designers barely do decorating, to be honest. I want to be residential designer, so that's more of homes instead of commercial, which would be like stores, other kinds of buildings. Maybe in the future I'll do like commercial and whatever, but right now all I want to do is like residential. So it's pretty much like designing the whole interior of houses. There's a lot more that I'm not even explaining because it's just a lot all in one, but I wanted to show you guys a haul because I have a haul of all my supplies that I had to buy this year. I had to buy a lot for this year, and some of it's not even here. Like I still have to get a drawing board, I have to get more pens, like it's just a lot of stuff. The difference, there's interior decorators, which does just decorating, and then there's an interior designer that needs a degree. They need like 3 years of experience before they can even go out on their own. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to say. But I'll give you guys the haul now because I'm just gonna pull things out of my backpack because it's like literally all in my backpack. This I like didn't even open. So this is a erasing shield, an eraser, and a like because when you're doing floor plans you don't want to like wipe your hand across it because it'll smudge all of it and it won't be good. So that's what this is for. So when after you erase, you just use this, and an erasing shield is just so you can erase certain parts of it. So like you put the shield over the paper and then you just erase in these little hole things that they have. A T-square, which is like huge. It's 24 inches. This is so like you can put it against the paper and line it up so it's always straight. So this is very handy. I had to get this year. Quite annoying to lug around, but it's very useful when you're actually doing like drawings and stuff. These are templates. I don't use these because they're not always to scale, but it's good to have the option if you want it. So in our drawings we use a lot of color. So Prisma color, colored pencils. These are very good colored pencils. Like they're very expensive, so I only got a 24 pack, but you can get like a big size of them, but I don't need to invest in that right now. 24 is okay with me, so I got these. Very expensive item, and they are Copic markers. I don't know if any of you heard of them, but they're pretty much just for drafting. There's a few colors. There's 12 in here. There's also bigger packs, but these alone were $50, so I was not about to get a bigger pack right now because honestly I don't think I'll need any more colors than that. For now anyway. Those are good. Thing are these drawing pencils. They're graphite pencils, and there are a bunch of different weights. The weight just means like the weight of the lead, how thin, how thick they are. That's pretty much just what that is. This is for drawings as well, because you have to, when you're doing a floor plan or an elevation, you're supposed to make some lines thicker and some lines not as thick, like, because the more important things are thicker, the outline, the walls, all kinds of stuff like that, and then like just the stuff in between is for thinner, so I got a pack of those. So the next thing that we had to get last year, but I keep in my bag just in case, is a color wheel, because when you're doing paint colors and like colors of rooms and stuff, you're supposed to have like a color scheme. There's different ones. There's complementary, split complementary, triad, tetrad, and stuff like that. So this just helps you to like, so you don't have to like memorize it. It just shows what colors will go together and stuff like that. The next two things that I have are these measuring triangles. You literally can't even see them because they're clear, but I have two different sizes. They have a 90-degree, and yeah, these will help with drawings as well. I actually have to use these in my homework because I have a lot of homework right now, which I'm not excited about, a little stressful. But yeah, they just have the measurements on the side here, which you can't really see, but they're here and here, and they just help you for straight lines. Pretty simple. Last thing that I have, I feel like there was more than that, but I guess it's just like books and stuff that you guys don't really care about. This is like one of the most important things for an interior designer to have, and it's an architectural scale. So as you can see, it has a bunch of different sides. I'll explain quickly what it does pretty much, but there's different measurements, like there's half, 1/4, 1/8, 1 inch. So pretty much these are feet, and these are the inches over here. You just line it up. That's pretty much it. It's just so like when you have like different scales of drawings that they're the same size just on a different scale. So this helps you to do that. It's a little confusing. When I first started, I didn't understand it at all because I'm also very bad at math, so it was very hard for me to understand, but I do understand it now, and it's very important to an interior designer because they use this all the time, like all the time. That and the T-square on like bigger pieces of paper, because right now I have that's another thing, I'm not going to take it out because it's huge, but a 19 by 24 drawing pad, which is like actually huge, and that's going to be annoying to carry around. Those are just going to be used for definitely bigger drawings, the key, so like what tells you what's inside, like the different symbols. I also found out this year that you have to, like when you're writing on a floor plan, it has to be a certain font, certain size, it has to be completely straight. Like we got this worksheet in one of our classes. I felt like I was in kindergarten again, honestly, because we had to write the alphabet and letter and numbers over and over again to get it right, because it actually has to be perfect. Like architects, interior designers, and I've also heard that like if your writing is not good, that when you're presenting a drawing to someone, they literally won't even look at the rest. They'll only look at the handwriting. So I was like, great. So I got to get that down. So that's another thing that's like very strict. Drawings literally have to be perfect for someone to even like want to look at them. But yeah, so that's a little stressful also. I didn't realize that, so that's gonna be tough to get down, but I will get there. That's really all I have to show you guys, because that's everything that's not too big that I can actually show you and explain to you, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted, like I said, I just wanted to tell you what interior designers actually do. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!